In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a number line on Google Slides. Whether you're preparing a math lesson, a presentation, or a quick visual aid, a clean number line can make your ideas much clearer, and it's easy to build directly in Slides. Start by opening your Google Slides presentation and moving to a blank slide so you have plenty of space to work. If your slide isn't blank, you can switch the layout to blank so nothing gets in the way. Zoom in a bit if that helps you place things precisely. Now, create the base of your number line. Go to Insert, then Line, and choose Line. Click and drag across the slide to draw a straight horizontal line. Hold the Shift key while you drag to keep the line perfectly level. With the line selected, you can use the toolbar to adjust the line weight for a bolder look and choose a color that stands out. Keep the ends square and simple. No arrows are needed for a standard number line. Next, add the tick marks. Go to Insert, then Shape, and choose Line. Draw a short vertical line that intersects the horizontal line. Again, hold Shift as you draw to keep it perfectly vertical. This is your tick mark. Copy it and paste as many as you need. For consistent spacing, drag a duplicate to the right, then duplicate again to keep the pattern going. Use the arrow keys to nudge ticks into place. And if you want precise spacing, align them visually with guides or distribute them evenly after you've placed a few. With the ticks set, add the numbers. Click Insert, then Text Box, and click under the first tick to type your value. You can place numbers below or above the ticks. Just be consistent. Center the text over each tick for a clean look, and adjust the font size so it's easy to read without overwhelming the line. If you're labeling negatives or decimals, type them exactly as you want them to appear. Once you've formatted one label, copy and edit it to keep styling consistent. Finally, select everything, the line, the ticks, and the labels. Then go to Arrange and choose Group. Grouping keeps your number line together so you can move it, duplicate it, or resize it without losing alignment. Hold Shift while resizing to keep proportions even. And that's it. You've just built a clear, customizable number line in Google Slides that you can reuse across your presentation or adapt for different lessons.